When Jerry, the manager at Kabalebo Resort, was talking to us about what we might do on our anniversary, he mentioned kayaking, and it sounded like a great idea. I forgot that Corey and I probably are at our worst when we kayak together, but it still ended up being an amazing anniversary. First, we headed upstream with the kayak in the dugout canoe. On our way upriver, Terrell and Cliff make a few pit stops to grab berries off the trees so that they have something to fish with. We must have ridden for 2 or 3 hours just going upstream, so we knew we were going to have a really amazing day of kayaking. The river is still awfully high from the rainy season, and there is a lot of debris. It's been quite the adventure getting upstream through all of the rapids and debris that's in the river. Hey, Corey. This is what I call adventure.
Yeah. All right, we're on our own.
We are on our own. Happy anniversary, baby.
Happy anniversary, baby.
March 9th, we are kayaking down what they told us was Zand Creek in the middle of the Amazon. We've already seen bats this morning. I'm hoping for some otters and a puma, maybe? Yes?
Yes. Some caiman.
Some caiman.
Some piranha.
Our guides are in a canoe in front of us, a dugout canoe, and they're fishing for pacu, a vegetarian form of the piranha, essentially.
All right, here we go.
Here we go.
You can't live on me. Where are you going to? No, you can't live on me. Oh, hold on, Corey. Wow, where'd he go? Oh, he's on my camera. Oh, shit. I'm like, where'd he go? He's like on the lens right now. What are you doing, bud? Yeah? Are you my new friend? I know, don't jump at my face. What are you doing? No, you can't. No, come on now. You need to go someplace else. Go someplace else. What am I going to do with you? There you go. Okay, you're fine now.
Already coming up on rapids.
So the big rock that's out there, we want to go to...
I don't know. Which side do you want to go?
Maybe let the current decide, because we tried to fight the current last time and that ended poorly. Kali River Rapid Ride. Except it's Zand Creek, Suriname Rapid Ride.
From what I can tell, immediately to the left of the rock is looking better at this moment.
Okay. So we turn straight for the rock. Okay.
Immediately to the left. See that smooth spot?
Uh-huh.
Because everything else, either that or it's far to the left. Far to the left has a lot of...
Yeah, that does look like a good spot. Okay. Okay, these aren't bad.
A little more to the right.
Okay.
Straight ahead, that's what it's
Okay. I'm trying my best just to not fight against you. And... Whee! That was easy. Not bad.
For whatever reason, the bees love Corey's head. And they're finding the little grommets and licking sweat off of his head. There's now 5 of them swarming him. No, there's still 5. One's just kind of... And there's one that's not too smart. He's trying to get stuff out of the snap. Oh, that's hilarious. Man, Corey. You're a mess. No, not on me. You gotta leave. No, leave me alone. Oh gosh, there's more of them, Corey. Okay, it's starting to become, I think, a problem. I think we have a problem.
When we came around the corner, this caiman was just sitting there with its mouth open, probably 2-3 feet away from us. Most of the things that we have done, whether it be hikes or boat ride, has only been a couple of hours. I didn't put on sunscreen this morning, not realizing that this was going to be 10 hours that I was going to be out on the river in the sun. We're nearing the end. We're back on the main river again. Our guides are nowhere in sight. I guess we're too slow and the fishing is too good. We're alone on the river, headed back. As you can see, I'm sunburned and probably pretty good. I don't have sunglasses anymore. They fell off. So there's a pacu somewhere in the river that's wearing my sunglasses. All in all, this was an amazing anniversary. 21 years and so many adventures. This one's one for the record books. Yay!